Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to fix phone call server unreachable problem. So let's see how to fix it. For solving this problem, first of all, long press on phone call, tap on app info, tap on storage, tap on clear data, clear all data. Tap on OK to confirm, go back to home screen and tap on flight mode for 1 minute. After 1 minute, turn off flight mode. And press power button and reboot your phone.
Press and hold to turn your device on or off. A quick press usually locks or
After reboot, just try to phone call, and by this way you can easily fix your problem. Thank you so much everyone. Like and subscribe to my channel.